Hi, class. This is Dr. Yankowski. I just wanted to walk you through the process of registering for Connect, and I'm using my Psychology of Adolescence course as a template. So don't worry if this isn't the course that you're enrolled in. The registration process will be the same. So for my online courses, what you'll notice is that the first module you encounter in Moodle is highlighted in blue. This is all of the information that you should read before the course starts. And this video pertains to how to register for Connect. And you'll see that I have a link in the Start Here module, which will bring you to the page for the publisher, McGraw-Hill, to register for Connect. Now, the reason why this is important is that Connect is sort of the warehouse for where the online textbook will be. It's called SmartBook, or colloquially, it's known as an ebook. So that's where the ebook will be, or what they call the SmartBook. This is where you'll be taking your quizzes and exams, and also your practice modules, which are optional. They're called Learn Smart modules. I'll discuss that once we get in. But all of the components related to your evaluations, the quizzes and exams, are in Connect as well as the ebook. So it's really important to gain access to this, whether it be before the semester starts or on the first day. So click on the link, register for Connect, and it will take you to the course that it's linked to. So just double check to make sure that, so this is the course I'm in, Psychology of Adolescence, 202099WB. And then what you want to do is make sure that this is also linked, just to double check that you're registering for the correct course, and it is. So it's your first day, you don't have a Connect account, so you want to enter an email that you're going to be using to log in. For me, I'll just make up a fictitious account. And you could see that I've used that before, so let me make a different one. Then you could see here that this is the page where you're going to enter all of your personal information. So just confirm your email address. You can see here that I've made a couple of fictitious accounts, and then a password. And then this is also somewhat important. When you put in your name for Connect, this is what's going to show up in my gradebook for you guys. So just make sure that you're using the same name that you've registered for the class with. Sometimes people use their married name, their maiden name, and it's a discrepancy. So the class that you're enrolled in Moodle in, just use the same name. I'll make up a name. I'll call myself Summer Class. It's going to ask you to select a question. I don't want my mobile number. Agree to the terms. Click Continue. Now, my computer asks me if I want to save this, and I don't, but for some students, if your computer allows this, I would just click Save, because students tend to forget the different passwords that they have. It's up to you. This is just asking you to gain access, and this is the important part. So you have 3 different ways that you're going to be able to gain access into Connect. If you bought this from the bookstore with the access code, you're going to enter your access code here. If you bypass the bookstore and you're purchasing it directly from the publisher using the link that I just had in Moodle, you're going to buy it right now. And you can see here, this course is $90. It varies depending upon which text I'm using and whatnot. And if you don't have the funds today, you don't want to purchase anything, you can gain two weeks free trial by clicking on the temporary access. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is gain the 2 weeks free access. But remember, after the 2 weeks, you're going to have to purchase the access. So this only gives you 14 days. Confirming that this is the 2 weeks temporary access. And then here I'm going to go into Connect. Now, it'll take you to this page where it says that no assignments are due in the next 7 days. You're on this link right here where it says to do. But to see the whole class that I have in Connect, just click on the Classes tab and then the class that you're enrolled in. And then this is going to remind me that I have a free two-week trial. And then here you go. You can see here that the course in Connect with our quizzes and exams and practice modules mimic the course that we have in Moodle. So you can see here 4 topics, midterm exam and final exam. And then you can see here 4 topics, midterm exam, final exam. Let me just point out to you what's in Connect. You have the ebook. So you can click on the ebook, what they call the Smart Book. You can also purchase a hard copy if you click on this loose leaf option. And then in each topic are chapter modules with the LS icon. Those are practice optional Learn Smart modules, which will help prepare you for the quizzes, the midterm exam, and the final exam. You can see here, I leave the Learn Smart modules open until the end of the term, but the only required quizzes that you have are the ones that have a due date for each quiz. So you can see here, where it says topic 1 quiz with the due date, here it's July 8th. That's the required quiz for topic 1, right? It matches up with the due July 8th. The rest of these are optional. You don't have to take them. I don't look at them, but they will help prepare you for each chapter, the content that goes into the quizzes and the exams. And each topic then runs the same fashion: practice quizzes, and then your required quiz, so on and so forth. So I just wanted to point that out. So in order to gain access to this page, you're going to click on the classes and then the class that you're enrolled in. This to do will update or refresh when you actually have assignments that are due within the next 7 days. If you do have any questions about this process of registering for Connect, by all means, please email me. And I also posted in our course in Moodle the information and the support number. So if you click on this, if you ever access technology problems, you can click on the support number and call them directly. Okay. If you have any questions, like I said, just email me. Otherwise, good luck, and I'll see you during the term. Take care.